Welcome guys to this tutorial about the object pronouns. First, let me tell you what object pronouns are. Object pronouns are little words that refer to a person or object that receives an action. For example, he calls me. It means that he, the subject, makes an action on me. I receive the phone call. In this case, I am the person that makes the action, and you receive my action. Remember something very important. We use these object pronouns in all tenses. For example, we can use this in present simple. I like you a lot. We can use it in past simple. I liked you a lot. We can use it in future. For example, I am going to see her every day. Let's check some examples. Here we have she called me yesterday. It means I received a phone call from her, from she. Remember, we always have to use the object pronouns. What is something important about this case? The grammatical structure. Remember that we have the subject pronoun, then we have a verb, we have the object pronoun. In some cases, in some verbs, we put a preposition before the object pronoun. Finally, we have a complement. Let's check other examples. Here we have a question. Do you love her? As you can see, we always put the object pronoun after the verb. I don't like it. In some cases, like it, and you, the subject pronoun is the same object pronoun. It, you, you. I don't like it. As you can see, we always put this object pronoun after the verb. Let's check one more example. She texted us yesterday. As you can see here, we can use it in affirmative, questions, negative, and other tenses like past simple or future. Finally, let's check some common mistakes that people have. It's not correct to say I called she yesterday. In that case, we say I called her yesterday. You called I this morning. In this case, we never put the subject pronoun. We put the object pronoun me. You call me this morning. They talk to we. In this case, we use us. They talk to us. Thanks a lot. Any question you have, you can contact me. You can send me a message. Bye-bye.